And you have to take that with a grain of salt anyway, because you never know. So I'm recording as I'm talking to you, so you'll see it on YouTube tonight. But but you're gonna get to see my blizzard and hear this conversation all over again. I love you so much, Mom. You're the most awesome mom in the whole world. As I'm looking at the remnants of my Halloween decorations that I forgot to take down. Yeah, I have Christmas lights and pumpkins. Yeah, well, at least we got the Christmas lights up, right? Oh, and there's the... Should I have taken my bird feeder down? I didn't. It's really cold. Yeah, well, I thought the birds might be hungry. So, it's staying up, and you're going to see my really ugly apple tree with all the dead apples on it.